These are the most popular golf tees in Europe. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're American in the kitchen, what are you in the bathroom? European. Well, these tees are European too. They are Lignum Tees. I think I'm pronouncing that right. A viewer actually turned me on to these. I'd never heard of them before, but they are widely available here. Ordered these online. And what is interesting about these is that they are super popular. What I will say is that they have interesting construction and they are actually supposed to benefit your drives. Let's take a close look. Alright, so let's take a look at this Lignum Tee in detail here, and I want to show you that it is, first of all, it looks like plastic, but it's actually made out of, I think, lumber shavings, so it's kind of like an MDF or a press board as far as I can tell. You can see that these are the long tees, 3 1/8 inch long, 82 millimeters for my metric friends, and they have kind of a standard shape, but what makes this interesting is you can see we have little bands on there, and so this actually will help you tee it up at the same height every time. I actually have wondered why we don't paint bands on regular tees. I know it would make the manufacturing process a little complex, but I think for a lot of us amateurs, we just kind of use our fingers to gauge how high the tee is set up, and something like this would make a big difference. You can see we have 4 bands there, so if you find your perfect height, you know that you're teeing up at that same height every time. Now, if we look at the top here, we have a little bit of a taller top area, and the tee area here seems to be about the same as everything else, but because this is smooth, it almost feels plastic. I think it might launch the ball a little bit better. So if I put a ball right on top of there, it's supposed to be very smooth, low friction. I don't know that tees have a lot of friction, but something like this is supposed to allow it to launch right off the top there. It's just a little bit recessed. It looks like a pretty standard tee, but it might be the material that is super low friction. So you've got that on there. Now I think these will last a long time, and I want to show you that if I bend it, it's not snapping. If I were doing this with a wooden tee, I would think it would give by now. So you can hit these repeatedly. I actually can't get this to break. I was hoping that I'd be able to show you what the material is, but I did my best there, and I can kind of just force it back up vertical like that. So that looks pretty good. So I think just one of these tees should last a pretty long time. This is what they look like. A pack of these tees obviously is going to be more expensive than the wooden bamboo tees you're probably using, but you might save money just because of how long they lasted. You might improve your game, which might make you a little happier and live a little better. So if you want to pick up Lignum Tees, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.